From proto-galaxies to mature systems, a cosmic evolution. From proto-galaxies to mature systems, a cosmic evolution. The vast and mysterious universe, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, has fascinated humans for centuries. Studying the evolution of galaxies is like peering into the past, as these celestial bodies provide valuable insights into the history of our universe. From the birth of proto-galaxies to the formation of mature systems, the cosmic evolution is a captivating journey that unveils the complexity and wonder of our cosmic neighborhood. At the beginning of this cosmic odyssey, there was the Big Bang, an explosive event that marked the birth of our universe. Soon after, tiny ripples in the fabric of spacetime began to form, known as cosmic microwave background radiation. These subtle variations laid the groundwork for the formation of structures in the vast cosmic web. Over time, gravity acted as a sculptor, pulling matter toward therein, forming the first building blocks of galaxies. Proto-galaxies, the precursors to mature systems, emerged from these primordial structures. These conglomerations of gas, dust, and dark matter were vast and unformed, lacking the organized structure we associate with galaxies today. Yet, within these chaotic clouds, seeds of order were sown. As gravity continued to shape these amorphous masses, they contracted, spinning faster and flattening until a disk-like shape. Inside these proto-galaxies, stars were born. The densest regions of gas collapsed under their own gravity, igniting a fusion reaction that created the brilliant luminosities we recognize as stars. Hesa newborn stars, nestled within glowing nebulae, illuminated their surroundings, casting a celestial glow on the nascent galaxies. As time marched on, these proto-galaxies continued to evolve. Collisions and mergers between smaller proto-galaxies were a common occurrence, leading to the formation of more massive systems. These interactions sparked violent episodes of star formation, as the collisions caused massive amounts of gas and dust to compress, triggering stellar nurseries within the merging galaxies. It is during these tumultuous periods that young galaxies start to take shape, transforming into the beautifully intricate structures we see today. The merger-triggered star formation rates increase, leading to the birth of massive, luminous stars. These stars, burning brightly but briefly, enrich their surroundings with heavier elements, providing the raw materials for future generations of stars and planets. Over millions of years, these merging proto-galaxies settle into a more stable, mature state. The once discordant orbits of stars and gas are gradually organized into regular patterns, forming the characteristic spiral arms or elliptical shapes we associate with galaxies. The gravitational pull of these more structured galaxies gives birth to galactic bulges, site of intense star formation. At the heart of mature galaxies, supermassive black holes lurk, their immense gravity dictating the fate of surrounding matter. Throughout the cosmos, galaxies also engage in a dynamic dance. Galactic encounters, while relatively rare, can have a profound impact on a galaxy's evolution. The gravitational interactions between galaxies can trigger the disruption of spiral arms, the formation of tidal tails or bridges, and the expulsion of stars and gas. These gravitational interactions provide astronomical spectacles, offering astronomers opportunities to witness the transformative power of cosmic ballets. As galaxies age, they continue to evolve at a slower pace. Stellar populations change, as massive stars exhaust their fuel and explode in brilliant supernova explosions, seeding the universe with heavier elements. These elements mix with interstellar gas, enriching subsequent generations of stars and telescopic observers unfathomable centuries in the future. Our own Milky Way, a barred spiral galaxy, has had a long and turbulent history of its own. Born from the merger of multiple smaller galaxies, it has undergone numerous transformations over billions of years. The formation of our solar system, and the emergence of life on Earth, owes its existence to the cosmic processes that shaped and guided the evolution of our galaxy. The study of galactic evolution is a multidisciplinary endeavor. Their collective efforts continue to deepen our understanding of the cosmic evolution, shedding light on the mechanisms that have shaped the universe we inhabit. The story of cosmic evolution, from proto-galaxies to mature systems, is one of harmony and chaos, of birth and death, of creation and destruction. It is a testament to the remarkable forces at work in the universe, molding galaxies into the awe-inspiring structures we observe today. Humans, with our insatiable curiosity, stand at the precipice of this cosmic symphony, deciphering its melodies me discovery at a time. As we unveil the mysteries of the universe and our place within it, we continue to marvel at the intricate dance played out among the stars. The journey from proto-galaxies to mature systems embodies the essence of cosmic evolution, reminding us of the vastness and beauty of our ever-expanding cosmos. As our quest to understand the cosmic evolution continues, we delve deeper into the fascinating journey from proto-galaxies to mature systems. Each step of this remarkable process unravels new layers of knowledge and bewilderment. Proto-galaxies, in their amorphous and unformed state, hold the promise of what is to come. Within these chaotic clouds of gas, dust, and dark matter, the seeds of order begin to take root. Gravity, the master sculptor, gradually shapes these masses, causing them to contract and spin faster, transforming into disk-like structures. Inside these evolving proto-galaxies, stars emerge. The dense pockets of gas succumb to their own gravitational pull, triggering a fusion reaction that ignites the birth of stars. These newborn luminous entities illuminate their surroundings, painting the proto-galaxies with a celestial radiance that brightens the cosmic tableau. As time progresses, the proto-galaxies undergo further changes. Collisions and mergers between smaller proto-galaxies set off consequential events, leading to the emergence of more massive systems. HASA encounters spark episodes of intense star formation, as the collisions compress vast amounts of gas and dust, creating stellar nurseries within the merging galaxies. During these tumultuous periods, young galaxies begin to take shape and transform into the intricate structures we observe today. The rate of star formation increases, giving rise to the birth of luminous stars. These stellar giants burn brilliantly but fleetingly, enriching their surroundings with heavier elements, which act as the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Over millions of years, the merging proto-galaxies settle into a more stable and mature state. The once disharmonious orbits of stars and gas gradually organize into regular patterns, manifesting as the characteristic spiral arms or elliptical shapes we associate with galaxies. In the heart of these mature galaxies, supermassive black holes lie in wait, wielding their immense gravitational force, ultimately determining the destiny of surrounding matter. Across the cosmos, galaxies engage in a dynamic dance. Encounters between galaxies, while relatively infrequent, have a profound impact on their evolution. The gravitational interactions between galaxies can disrupt spiral arms, create tidal tails or bridges, and expel stars and gas. These mesmerizing interplays provide a spectacle for astronomers, allowing them to witness firsthand the transformative power of cosmic ballets. As galaxies age, their evolution continues at a slower pace. Stellar populations undergo changes as massive stars exhaust their fuel and explode in brilliant supernova events, scattering heavier elementary elements into space. These elements intermingle with interstellar gas, enriching subsequent generations of stars and those who will observe them with telescopes in unfathomable centuries. Our own Milky Way, a majestic barred spiral galaxy, has traversed a long and tumultuous path of its own. It formed from the merger of multiple smaller galaxies and has undergone countless transformat ions over billions of years. The formation of our solar system and the emergence of life on Earth owe their existence to the cosmic processes that have shaped and guided the development of our galaxy. The study of galactic evolution requires a multidisciplinary approach. Through their collaborative efforts and unwavering curiosity, our understanding of cosmic evolution deepens, illuminating the mechanisms that have shaped the universe we inhabit. The story of cosmic evolution, from proto-galaxies to mature systems, weaves a narrative of harmony and chaos, birth and death, creation and destruction. It is a testament to the extraordinary forces